Once upon a time, there was a very, very small little raptor, which was brown. Brown dots. It had a sibling which looked like was built out of piss. Anyways, where's my mother? There's my mother catching fish. Anyways, let me just sleep. Mother, help me. What the hell? What the actual heck? No, no, why me? Why are you doing this to me? Why? What did I ever do to you? Wait, I'm crying. What? Why did you do that for? What the heck? Oh, good. He's dead. And just like that, I am dead. Well, that was disappointing.